Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to view all shared photos on a Telegram channel. Whether you're part of a group where friends share photos, or a channel filled with stunning images, it's important to know how to access this content easily. Let's jump right into the steps. First, grab your Android device and open the Telegram app. You'll land on the main chat screen, which displays all your conversations and channels. Make sure you're logged in so you can access everything without a hitch. Next, find the channel where the photos were shared. This could be a public channel filled with amazing content, or a private channel with your friends. Once you've located the desired channel, simply tap on it to open the conversation. Now, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see the channel name displayed prominently. Tap on that contact name to open up the channel's profile and settings. This is where you can find various options related to the channel. After tapping the contact name, look for the Media section. This is where all the shared photos, videos, and other media files are stored. Under this section, you'll find all the photos that have been shared in the channel, neatly organized for easy viewing. This makes it simple to browse through and revisit those great images whenever you want. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully viewed all the shared photos on a Telegram channel. This feature is incredibly handy for keeping track of shared memories and content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.